Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix the problem when the OpenAI ChatGPT is not loading or it's not working correctly. So this should be quite an easy tutorial. In most cases there are too many requests from your side or other users of ChatGPT to process. So there are some issues that occur. You are using a VPN connection or browser extension, or your network connection is unreliable to using the ChatGPT. So first of all, make sure you clear the ChatGPT cache and cookies stored on your device. So if you are using any browser, I'm using in this Google Chrome here. So first of all, you just need to go to the three-dot menu here in the right corner and go to the settings option here. And in the left option here, choose the privacy and security here. And under the privacy and security option, you need to open the cookies and other side data option here. And you have to scroll down, and here you will see an option called see all site data and permission. Click on it. This will allow you to delete the data of individual sites that you visit here. So search for OpenAI and delete the stored site and cookies of data. Search for OpenAI. And here, as you can see, this is the ChatGPT OpenAI.com site here. Then you just have to delete the site data and permission of OpenAI. This will log out of your OpenAI and clear all the cache and storage of your ChatGPT. Then you just have to sign in again in your ChatGPT account. Hope this will help you. If the problem is not solved, then make sure to disable some browser extension. So just go to three-dot menu here again, go to more tools. Then here you will see option called extension. So make sure to disable all extension and reload the chat OpenAI.com site to see if the chat is working and loading correctly. So if you turn off the all extension, then go to the ChatGPT and see if your ChatGPT is working or not. If you're getting a network error, make sure to disable any VPN or proxy connection on your device. Also, you should also make sure that you only have one tab of ChatGPT open at the same times. The site will check your browser information and block multiple requests from one device. And also, ChatGPT is very high traffic site, so sometimes it's not working properly. So you just have to wait a couple of minutes and it will work. So that's it, guys. I hope this helped you out. So leave a comment if you have any question, and see you in the next video. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.